Okay, 2 bananas.
Two bananas, two bananas, two bananas.
Alright.
And we're
Smash.
smash and smash. Smash.
Go, baby.
I'm a baby. I'm sister.
Your sister?
Yes. Sister is big. I'm not a baby anymore. Baby goes small.
You're
Like-
already big.
Yes,
Okay. Do you want a baby brother or sister?
sister.
Alright.
Can I press it? I press it hard. Hawakan mo mga balaki.
Okay. Go. Go.
Bakit? Hinata! Want to
Put.
put peanut butter.
That's 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup. Wow, it's so slippery.
Oatmeal. 2 cups.
2 cups.
Alright. Mix, mix, mix.
Where?
Careful. Slowly. There you go.
Be gentle.
Be gentle. Slowly.
So
And
the
careful.
Wow, it's gonna be tasty. It's so heavy.
Alright. Okay, next. Wow. Next is baking
Powder.
soda.
Soda.
And mix again.
And then,
Mix it well again. Alright. You press like this.
no. Smaller one, it's mine. Mine yung smaller one kasi hindi kasya sa may bibilo mo yung malaki.
Okay.
Kasi sa smaller one,
That's too small.
it's okay. I want to dagan it. Wow. This is better one.
Not too much. Not too flat. Alright, good job. Wow, nice. Alright. Thank you.
And it's a beautiful. Okay, baby drawing ko. After your drawing
Ito
now.
now, you. Hmm?
It's hot.
Wow, looks nice. Oh, it's not hot anymore. What do you think? You think it's good?
Yeah.
Careful. Yay! Wow! Can you see? Wow! Oh, you taste it. How was it? Uy! Sinubo lahat! Bye!